Long ago, in the land of Java, there was a prosperous kingdom called Pramana, ruled by a mighty king named Raden Dharmamaya. He was a powerful king, and his kingdom thrived under his leadership. Raden Dharmamaya had a son named Bandung Bondowoso. He was a warrior of extraordinary skill and magical powers, inherited from his father, a great sorcerer. Far away, another kingdom was ruled by a fearsome king, Prabu Baka. He had a daughter named Tukrolo Chodram, who was renowned throughout the land for her unparalleled beauty. Her beauty, however, became the source of a tragic tale that would shape the history of the region forever. One day, Prabu Baka heard of Brahmanan's wealth and power and decided to conquer it.
The enemy approach. We cannot let them take our kingdom. Ready your weapons and defend Prambanan with all your might.
Yes, Your Majesty, we will fight until our last breath.
If this is my fate, then I shall face it with honor. Protect the valleys.
Prabu Baka marched his army toward Prambanan, seeking to expand his rule. Raden Dharmamaya, though strong, underestimated Prabu Baka's strength and magical abilities.
Surrender and give your kingdom to me. I will spare your people.
Never. I'll never give my kingdom to you over my dead body.
A great battle ensued. Raden Dharmamaya led his soldier valiantly, but Prabu Baka army, bolstered by his supernatural powers, overwhelmed them. Raden Dharmamaya was ultimately defeated and killed in the battle. After the death of his father, Bandung Bondowoso protected his kingdom with enthusiasm. Even though Prabu Baka underestimated Bandung Bondowoso managed to defeat Prabu Baka and leaving his kingdom in the hands of the victorious Bandung Bondowoso.
I need to find a princess before Bandung gets her.
One of the remaining soldiers of Prabu Baka rushed back to his kingdom to tell the princess that they need to run away as quick as possible.
Where is the princess? Quick. You need to tell me.
What's wrong? Why are you in a rush?
He has dead anymore. And now Bandung is on his way to his kingdom. Bondowoso is before him. Now tell me, where is the princess?
Oh no, we have to leave quickly.
They rushed to the prince's